Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and availability. Make sure your specific Clockwork headphones support the white variant or swap. Once confirmed, power down and remove battery or disconnect power. This reduces risk. Next, ground yourself with a static strap, clear workspace, and arrange tools, precision screwdriver, soft cloth, cotton swabs. You should also back up firmware and record serial numbers now. Doing these steps first prevents bricking, preserves warranty clues, and sets you up to perform the change safely. You'll proceed with careful disassembly following the model-specific guide. Remove screws methodically and label them 1/6 so reassembly is painless. Once open, unclip ear cups and expose the housing. Use gentle prying to avoid clips. Inspect cable connectors and adhesive strips. Clean contacts with isopropyl, lightly if needed. Now dry fit the white shells or replacement panels to confirm alignment around buttons and vents. Make sure internal cables sit out of the way before applying any adhesive or reattaching trim pieces. You finish by reversing the disassembly. Seat panels, clip ear cups, and install screws evenly to avoid warping. Once assembled, reconnect power and run a full functional test: audio, mic, Bluetooth pairing, and controls. Do a short 10-15 minute burn-in at medium volume to reveal issues. If something fails, stop and open it again. Check flex cable seating, receipt connectors, and attempt a firmware reset. If problems persist, reinstall original components to verify whether the white parts or fitment caused the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.